Monday.com file sharing tutorial. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to share files on Monday.com. So if you're working on Monday.com and if you need to share an important file, just watch this video and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com, and once you need to log in, let's start with a board. So let's create a new board. Let's call it board 1, and it should contain items, employees. Okay, it should have items. That's fine. Or projects. That's more like it. So now it's going to create a sample board for us, not a template, just a sample board. So for example, we're working here, and this is a specific project that we're working on, which contains a couple of items right here and people assigned to it. And the statuses, some are working on it, some are stuck, and the date as well. So for example, if you need to share a file here, what you need to do, you can just click on this right here, and here is the option of add a file. You can click on this file and the file will be shared right here, and the person working on it can see the file. For example, if you are an admin and one of your employee is working on this item of a project and you have a relevant file that you want to share this employee, you can click here, click on add file and attach the file, and it will be and then you need to click update, so it will be notified to people working on item 1. It can be just one employee or more than one employee. So this is the most basic way that you can do it. Another way of doing it is you have to click here. No, sorry, you have to click here and explore more views and then file gallery. So this is another feature that is offered by Monday.com. And this is your file gallery. And the beauty about this file gallery section is that you don't have to, pin it on different employees under different employees. You can just upload your files right away, right here. And, the most beautiful thing about this is that anyone can access this. Anybody can, come to this file gallery and they can just access these files right away. So that's how you do it. You can also download the files as well. If, for example, somebody else has uploaded some files here, then you can click here and download it right away. So that's how you do it. And these were the two, I would say, mainstream ways of uploading files and sharing it on Monday.com. One more thing is that you can do is you can go to settings right here. Let me just cancel this out. Kind of annoying, I know. Click on these three dots, come to settings and change board type and change to shareable. So you can change the board to shareable and then send the board links to somebody, and through that way they can also see the files on your board. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.